Uncovering the Top 5 EU-GDPR Challenges of Generative AI. A video by Dennis Hillman in the Law of the Future community. This video will discuss the top 5 EU-GDPR challenges of generative AI such as ChatGPT, including data collection and storage, security and privacy, fairness and transparency, accuracy and reliability, and accountability. What is generative artificial intelligence? Generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that creates or generates new data or content based on existing data and models. Examples include OpenAI's GPT-3, ChatGPT, Google's AutoML, IBM Watson, NVIDIA's DGX-1, and Amazon Machine Learning. Core principles of EU-GDPR. The EU-GDPR establishes rules for the processing of personal data by controllers and processors in the European Union, EU. It gives individuals the right to access and control their own personal data, requires organizations to obtain explicit consent before collecting and using their personal data, and requires organizations to protect personal data with appropriate technical and organizational measures. GDPR Issue NR 1. Data collection and storage. Generative AI must adhere to GDPR guidelines for data collection, storage, and usage. Data is collected and stored from multiple sources, including users, systems, and networks. Generative AI may not have the ability to detect and secure all data sources, potentially resulting in personal data being collected without the user's knowledge or consent. GDPR Issue NR 2. Security and privacy. Generative AI must be protected against malicious attacks and data breaches. GDPR requires that appropriate measures are taken to ensure the security and privacy of user data. Generative AI may not be able to ensure that all data is stored securely, risking data breaches and loss of privacy. GDPR Issue NR 3. Fairness and transparency. Generative AI must be fair and transparent in its decision-making processes. GDPR requires that decisions made by AI systems must be explainable and justifiable. Generative AI may not be able to ensure that data is used only for the purpose it was collected, potentially leading to misuse of personal data. GDPR Issue NR 4. Accuracy and reliability. Generative AI must be accurate and reliable in order to produce useful results. GDPR requires that AI systems must be tested and monitored to ensure accuracy and reliability. The GDPR requires that data controllers must be able to prove that the algorithms used by the AI system are reliable and accurate, which is difficult to do with generative AI systems due to their complexity and variability. GDPR Issue NR 5. Accountability. Generative AI systems must be held accountable for their actions. GDPR requires that AI systems must be able to detect errors and take corrective action when necessary, e.g., right to forget, art. 17 EU-GDPR. Generative AI systems may not be able to detect errors or take corrective action, thus making it difficult to hold them accountable for their actions. Law of the Future Community. The Law of the Future Community is an international platform dedicated to law and technology, for exchanging ideas and connecting. Join the community for free to learn more about AI and law. Join the Law of the Future Community for free. https://www.lawofthefuture.club